Comfort often comes at a cost. In spite of extensive development, existing seat designs are forced to incorporate a number of compromises in order to offer a fully flat bed suitable for a high-density environment. Existing seat designs still incorporate a number of compromises to achieve a fully flat bed suitable for a high-density environment. Issue 1. Step over. The window seat passenger has to step over the aisle bed passenger, forcing them to lean on the seat arm and possibly touch the other passenger. This is even more difficult when both seats are reclined. And of course, this creates major privacy, comfort, and cultural issues. Issue 2. Lean across. To service the window seat passenger, cabin crew have to lean across the aisle passenger, causing back strain for the crew and health and safety issues, such as hot drinks spilling and falling cutlery. It's an inconvenience for both passengers, as their TV screen view is blocked and their personal space is invaded. Issue 3. Bed angle. The slope of the bed results in passengers repeatedly slipping downwards. The bed angle can be up to 20 degrees, resulting in passengers intruding into the aisle, banging against the seat in front, and generally providing a very negative, uncomfortable passenger experience. With these previous compromises in mind, our challenge was to get the same number of people into the same space in the aeroplane, whilst offering a fully flat 78-inch bed to immediately improve the passenger experience. With this in mind, our worldwide team of developers at Zodiac have worked together to find the solution.
We have the ambition to be present with the widest and most efficient product line. This is why we decided to enrich our business class offering and launch this unique project with the various R&D teams of Zodiac Seats, working jointly to come up with this Aries concept. It combines space efficiency and ultimate passenger experience with a stylish cabin signature. We are very proud to present you the outcomes of our team effort and gather your valuable feedback.
Traditional angle flat seats have a pitch of 60 to 65 inches. Increase that to 78 inches for a fully flat bed and passenger places are lost. So, what were the options?
The problem we were faced with was to try and find a way to get a 78-inch long full flat bed into the same space occupied by the high-density angle flat cabins of today. We looked at lots of different layouts and found that the herringbone worked the best for us. By taking the centerline seat footwells and placing one directly on top of the other one, changing the angles, we met all three of our design criteria. Full flat beds with no loss of passenger places, class-leading passenger space, and full aisle access for all.
What's both so clever and so compelling about Aries is that when you walk into the cabin, it's a genuinely premium, high-end experience. There's none of the obvious concessions to density that you see with a lot of other products in this particular segment. My feeling with Aries now is that we have a product that's both incredibly space efficient, but that from a passenger's perspective promises a really compelling and a really progressive and desirable flying experience.
Well, passenger experience was a priority for this new concept, which is why we included ambience-enhancing features like mood lighting and furniture-like elements to make the passenger space feel more personal.
Using the Aries seat means no loss in capacity, whilst further improving your service offer by introducing the following: a light and airy feel, 100% aisle access, a 78-inch long fully flat bed, no lean over. Whereas previous attempts to reduce space have meant that seat stowage space has been compromised, with the Aries seat, areas for working, eating, and personal effects have been drastically increased. Privacy has been improved, with increased space between reclining and sleeping passengers, but still allowing passengers to interact if required. generous monitor size and thoughtful location, which reduces distraction from other passengers and improves the passenger experience at both work and play. Aries also offers you modular branding. Fleet commonality. Aries is designed to suit both Airbus and Boeing wide-body aircraft. Most components, including the seat mechanism and table, are shared across all of these platforms, reducing the cost of ownership across mixed fleets. A multi-purpose touchscreen handset, which is attractive to passengers, easily branded, and equipped with engineered diagnostics for easier fault finding and instructions on potential repairs required. If you're looking to offer a fully flat bed whilst offering 100% aisle access. If you're looking for a high-density solution with a light and airy look. If you're looking for a seat with improved diagnostics, with fleet commonality, with customizable livery, with minimal compromise, to improve your service offer. Aries is the answer.